Good morning, everyone. Every 2, every 3, and every 4. This is Inang Dubai. Welcome to our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ang Word of God natin for today ay makikita sa Psalms chapter 42, verses 7 and 8. At ang sabi dito, Deep calleth unto deep at the noise of thy waterspouts. All thy waves and thy billows are gone over me. Yet the Lord will command his loving kindness in the daytime, and in the night his song shall be with me, and my prayer unto the God of my life. Amen. Ayos lang pa. So this is cook ready. Yeah, so we take it out. Kasi di-bone natin to. Kasi ng bone. Okay. Now we take out the meat. So this is ang meat, lahat na meat natin. Boneless na po. Ito may boneless pa. Ito na yung meat natin. Yan. Ito yung fish meat. Nailagay natin sa atin na sa atin na Shanghai lumpia. Fish lumpia. Para ito. Fish spring roll. So with sisito ito at walang mga boiled fish meat. Yeah, that po. Then we have mixed vegetables na 1 cup. And we have this one potato. And we have carrots. Also we have here ginger, onion, and garlic. Okay? So igisa po natin sila. Igisa po natin to ating ingredients. Okay? So we put toyo and put also sesame oil. Tatak-tatak lang. For a nice smell of our cooking. Salt. Put salt. And sugar. Yeah, put more sugar. This fish. Cook natin. Piti ko ni half. Masyadong marami. So, half lang half. Ano ba yung fishball yung iba? Yeah. We need to see for the bones. So, see bones and bones. I think this is okay. Yummy. Ngayon, magbabalot na po ako. This is how I balot. Yeah, I wrap my spring rolls. Konting, padikit ng water para didikit siya po at maganda yung kanyang form at hindi siya magbuka pag tayo nagpiprito. That's water only, okay? You can use also egg white if you like. So, nakagawa po ako ng 30 pieces. Out of half lang yung fish meat na ginamit ko. Yan. 30 pieces po, mga friend. So, ipiprito natin to. At masarap talaga ito. Try nyo rin. Okay. Hindi siya... Come on. Alright. Kasi we fry it, okay? So, this is how our fish lumpia look like na niprito na. Or fish spring rolls. Ito na po siya. Yummy. Please like, share, and subscribe. And share this video. And hit the notification bell to notify you for my next video. Thank you for watching. To God be the glory. God bless us, everyone.